When getting to know a dataset, one of the first tasks for an analyst is to analyze the frequencies, structure of the studied group, or the contribution of individual items to the summed value. For this purpose, we often use tables. However, it is neither the most readable nor the most attractive form of visualizing results, so we replace it with charts. But how do we get a quick overview when the variable has dozens or even hundreds of categories? This is where cloud visualization comes in handy. Let's move to practice. In the example, we will use a dataset called sales data, available among the standard data files. It contains information, among other things, about product types, their prices, and the cities and countries to which we sell. Go to the Predictive Solutions menu, then Graphs, and select the chart type Cloud. First, let's create the simplest variant of this chart and verify which city has the most frequent sales. From the list of variables on the left, select City, then transfer it to the Categories field. Click the OK button. The interpretation of the resulting visualization is simple. The larger the font of the city name, the higher the frequency, or greater the share in the analyzed structure. This type of visualization is excellent for finding dominant categories. Reading city names is relatively easy. Despite a large number of analyzed categories, the cloud graph remains relatively readable. This visualization is ideal for analyzing a large number of categories, words, or tags. Let's return to the procedure window and take a closer look at the available options. IMAGO PRO allows the user to use two visualization modes: words, as presented earlier, and bubbles. By using this second visualization mode, the problem of difficult interpretation of words of unequal length disappears. The user can choose between simple frequency analysis and using a summed variable. Additionally, the user can specify a variable whose statistics will determine the color scheme of individual categories. Let's see this with an example. Let's prepare the second type of visualization. We will present the sum of sold products in individual countries. From the list on the left, select the bubble mode. Transfer the variable country to the categories field and the variable quantity to the sum field. Then click the Options button. In this window, we can choose settings for displaying labels, legend, and the order of categories. The bubble mode allows the addition of labels as well. From the available options, select Sum. Leave the remaining options unchanged and click OK. In the main window, we also have the option to add a title to our chart, change the color style, and define settings for the font. In this example, we leave these options unchanged and click OK. We received a bubble chart where the diameter indicates which categories are the largest. The leaders are, of course, the United States, Germany, and Austria. Bubbles provide the ability to present various types of information on labels: category name, quantity, values, share in the sum, or in the quantity. Thus, we can easily show the information that is key to the presented categories. To summarize, the cloud graph is an attractive proposition for visualizing a frequency table or a table containing aggregated statistics, especially useful for variables with a large number of categories.